Hey, good to see you here. How are you? Great.
How are you recording backing vocals?
It was called a sound check.
Oh, okay.
It was supposed to be for just you to go out to hear how, because it was kind of cranky at the beginning, people not quite knowing what it sounded like when it got out to the audience.
Okay.
So they built this little function in it. I think you can get about maybe 5 seconds of time. And so I said, well, heck, I mean, it took up 2 buttons, so you might as well try to do it. So I used it as a looper.
Okay, sure.
And it works very, very well. It's fun. It's a fun thing. So Mr. Kakashi didn't know that I was going to do that. He just easily used it. It's fun. It's fun.
I was intrigued also by the getting different timbres on different notes.
Yes. The way he designed it is he didn't really scan the notes as nothing like the keyboards that came out later. It was more of a matrix system, because actually under each one of the keys there is a little buffer situation that he set up the logic underneath each key, and then the brain is over here that interprets it. So it just takes the digital stuff, makes the analog, all these controls go out to there, and also the gate. Could be these gates as well for the envelope generators. Hi guys, how are you? You made it back.
Good, absolutely. David,
Hi David, how are you? My pleasure.
About my transcendent experience here.
Oh man. All right, let me give you a little demo of what happens here. This Leo, live electronic orchestra, created back in 1977. Out of necessity, because I had a keyboard almost for every one of these synthesizers, and it was a monster to set up. Not only after you set it up, you didn't have to mix it, because they had all these outputs coming. So I said, this must be a better way to do this. And so this was the culmination of the idea. So what happens is that, to give you an idea, the 4 overheads right here, the Pasetta keyboard, which has 4 voice capability, will put out a control voltage and gate for every note that you put down, but a separate control voltage and gate for each note. So the first one goes down to that. The second one goes to this. The third one goes down. The fourth one goes down. You have almost this mini, I would call it a chamber synthesizer group. Take the 2600 and I make kind of a string sound out of those. And then take that and then couple that with the overheads, and then you end up with something like this. I'm an organist, classically started out classical, then I went into gospel music because that's what we did in church, and classical and gospel, we had to do it all. And so the feet go down on the organ. This is the only place in the Baptist church where you're allowed to dance. The organist can sit down and move his feet. And not get his. So this Promar is the one that's interface with the pedal board here, and then this one's special effects. I'll show you later. This is the JP4, which I love doing. So here we go with let's go with the harpsichord sound generated from the organ. Okay, so we got that going, and I'm going to take the bright wave and run it through the arc. You hear the arc? Okay, so you got a little arc going on top of the harpsichord here. Harpsichord.